You guys seeing these clouds? That is not my camera flickering, that's lightning. Severe thunderstorm warning. It's gonna be insane.
So cool to take a picture of it.
I'm not taking a picture.
Our roommate took a video of it.
You're going on YouTube, just so you know. Everybody, this is Jordan. She's a super douche. Oh, I'm in the front? Awkward.
Oh, do you want to go in the back?
Cool. No. You're done. You're back there.
Hey.
You can't see anything.
Yes.